Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you these two beautiful envelopes on which I have done cone work. So I will show you how to make paste, how to create cones and how to do this beautiful cone work along with beautiful quilling flowers. And I will share in two different styles. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. First, I will show you how to make the envelope. So I am taking this pattern paper which measures 21 by 26 centimeters, and from left and right sides I have creased on 1 centimeters, and from this side I have creased on 10 and 20 centimeters. So I have already folded all the creases. Now we just need to cut some slits from left and right sides to create the pocket. I am just trimming this part little bit and then sticking on top of this. And the envelope is ready. On the front side I am adding this pink color cardstock on which I will do my cone work. So this is done. Now I will show you how to create paste. So here I am taking baby powder. Take little bit of baby powder, add some glue into this. I am using a fabric glue, you can also use Fevicol, and then adding few drops of acrylic color. I am using here yellow color. Now mix this mixture very well and create a smooth paste. And then I will show you how to make the cone. So just take any plastic polythene and roll it in one direction and make one cone. This is super easy to make. Just pull it from inside to make a closed hole, and now I am just securing it using some tape from outer side and inside. And the cone is ready. Very easy. Now I am filling my paste into this and securing it with rubber band. So the yellow paste cone is ready. Now taking my pink envelope and cutting the cone from tip little bit, and it's running perfectly. Now I will start making some design randomly from one corner. You can draw any design of your choice. I am making some decorative designs here. just like we create the henna or mehndi. Adding some small motifs like scallops or lines or curves or leaf design. Similarly, repeat on this corner. Then I am just decorating the border using some scallop pattern. And then I am extending these leaf patterns little bit and making some scallops again. And the cone work is done for the corners. And then in the center I am adding some drop patterns. Then here I have prepared one pink color cone in the same method. So instead of yellow I have used pink acrylic color, and I am adding this color randomly here and there between the yellow design. So it will enhance the beauty of your light color work if you add dark shade into this. And this is done. Now I'm starting with making the quilling flowers. So here I'm taking one strip of dark pink color and 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping this petal using yellow color strip. Then I will join total 7 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So the flower is ready. Now for the next flower, I am taking one strip of yellow color and making one tight leaf shape. I will join total 5 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So in the same way we need 2 flowers. Now to start with leaf, I am taking 1/3 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green color, making one leaf shape. So we need total 5 petals for one leaf. Then taking one dark green color strip, and around this I'm going to add these leaves on left and right sides. And exactly in the center I'm adding one more leaf. So we need total 2 leaves. And also I have prepared the scroll using light green and dark green color strips. Now taking back my envelope, and I will decorate it from center using my handmade quilling flowers. So these type of envelopes you can create at last minute because this is very easy to make. Just add some cone work of your choice, decorate it with some quilling flowers, or you can also decorate with paper flowers or some stones, and in few minutes you can create these type of beautiful envelopes. Very creative and very unique. So the first envelope is ready. Now here I have already prepared one more envelope in pink color, and on top I have added grey color sheet. And to tie this envelope I have already connected one ribbon. So quickly I am making one knot so that we can start with cone work. So here I have prepared the pink color cone, and I am making some floral design in one corner. Then I am taking yellow color cone again and making some designs in the bottom. So again I am here making the contrast with the light shade against dark color. And the beautiful design is ready. Allow it to dry completely. Then to decorate this envelope, I have already prepared some quilling shapes just like before. One Malaysian flower and some 5 petal flowers. For these flowers I have used half strips and some leaves and scrolls. So again I am just following the design pattern and sticking my flowers and leaves. Also I am adding the sentiment congratulations in one corner. And this is done. So both the envelopes are ready and I'm just loving the outcome very much. Tell me in the comment section which envelope you like the most. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.